Oh boy. Did you guys see the spike on VIX this morning? VIX spiked up to 16.6 this morning, and it has given up some of its gains this morning. But if you have been watching any of my videos recently, where I have pointed out what conditions will coincide with the pullback or correction, VIX spiking above 16 and trading above 16 for at least a week or a few days will be the beginning of the correction. So watch out for that spike. I don't know how VIX will end up today, but watch out for that. Another interesting thing, let's pull up a chart of DIA. Okay, this is a 6-month chart of DIA, and I have put out a video which I will link below, where I've explored the idea of using moving average crossovers to figure out when the trend is about to change. If you look at the 8-day, 21 and 34-day EMAs, when the 8 crosses over 21, an aggressive trader could consider that as a trend change and start trading in that direction. But the real confirmation comes when the 8 crosses over the 34, which is the pink one, which is around here. This is back in November, beginning of November, when the bull run was starting. But now look what's happening now. So we are at that juncture again, where this bull run seems to be coming to an end, where the blue, which is the 8-day EMA, has already crossed below the 21 and is flirting with 34-day EMA. Now, of course, when you're faced with binary events like CPI, PPI, earnings, technical analysis is not as reliable because things can change in the matter of a few minutes. But if nothing else changes, this, if you watch it closely, this is the sign that you should be watching for if you are considering going bearish on these markets.